Money should be used to make your life easier. Money should be used for convenience and to save time. There are so many people out there that have so much money saved up. They keep saving every month, but they're living like a pauper. They're living as if they are suffering. You have to use money to level up your life. You have to use the money you're already making, the money you're saving to make your life better. Invest in yourself. Let that money you're making now show on you. Let it show in your life. Eat better. Eat nicer, healthier food. Drink bottled water. Use Uber. Pamper yourself. Travel. Have better experience. You have money, but you have not even traveled before. You have money, but you have never ever left the four walls of your city, of your country. But you have money that you've been saving for years. Like, think about it. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Tell me. You need to understand that even when you're saving, that money is losing value. $1,000 3 years ago is not the same value with $1,000 now. 1 million naira 3 years ago is not the same value with 1 million naira now. If you have 10 million naira in your account, in the next 2 years, that money is going to be 6 million naira or seven, honestly. So, if you want to save, the money is still losing value. So, use that money to make your life better. Use that money to invest back in your life academically, physically, mentally, psychologically. That money you're putting in your life will come back to you in 100 folds. In the next few years, that money you are investing in yourself will even help improve your life, will even help make your future better. Use money to make yourself look your best. Listen, there's nobody in this world that is ugly. There is no human being that is ugly in this world. It's all about money. It's all about how you take care of yourself. Invest in yourself. Let that money you're making show on you. Eh? Look like billion bucks. Change your hair, change your makeup. Make your life better, make your life softer. Stop suffering yourself. Stop living like, oh, you've not even eaten for 10 days. Look, mwah, look healthy. Let your skin be shining. Let your skin glow. Let it glow. Let it glow. Change your outfits. Be nicer to yourself. Stop being stingy to yourself. I keep saying this. Yes. Don't be scared. If it's negaka, stop being scared of spending money. Stop being scared of using money. Send money to your loved ones. Let the money you have show in the lives of people that you truly, truly care about, lives of people that even care about you. Let that money show. You cannot have up to $5,000 in your account and you're living like a pauper. You're always entering boss. I'm not saying don't save. I have a video here about how to save, budget, and spend your money wisely. I'm going to link it here. Watch that video, okay? If you're enjoying this video so far, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. If you don't like where you're living, move. Move closer. You must not be on the road for 7 hours, 3 hours as an Uber driver. You're not a cab driver. You're not a bus driver. You're not a conductor. So move. Calculate how much you're using for fuel and transport. Okay, calculate it, add it up, and move closer to your workplace. Life should be easier. Money is a tool to make your life easier. There's so many guys out there that are so stingy. They're like, I don't spend money on women. Meanwhile, you can spend money and get closer to the girls' hearts. There are so many women out there that when you provide for them, when you do things for them, they like you more. So don't listen to guys. I'm talking to you people now. Don't listen to people telling you that you cannot buy a woman with money. If you're always giving her money, that means that she doesn't truly like you. BS. Use that money and enter that woman. Provide for her. Be nice to her. Use the money to make your life easier. It doesn't make sense that you are buoyant and you're being stingy with that money on a woman. You're like, oh, I must not show how much I have. See, if I were to be a guy, the way I use money and get women, I will splash that money on the girl. Like, I'll provide her needs. Women were built like that. Whenever a guy comes through for us financially, we start liking the guy automatically. Automatically. So I'm giving you guys free expo out there. Don't go and be stingy. Use that money and make your life easier instead of you to be going long, talk with a woman. Be sweet. All right? Be sweet. And women, use money to make yourself look like mommy water. Let that money you're seeing show on you. I admire those women that look their best every time. They're always changing their nails, they're always at the salon, they're always like they're making their life so beautiful. You know that when you look your best, when you prioritize yourself, people like you more. People are drawn towards you. When people see that you look your best, when people see you looking prim and proper, people will like you more. So stop looking like Auntie Gwegwe. I don't want people to think that I have money. Let people think you have money. Look like money. That is poverty mentality. You grew up trying to be low, low, low. Grew up thinking that, oh, if people think I have money, they're not going to help me. BS. When people know that you like a certain kind of lifestyle, when people know that you like the good life, you like comfort, they come correct or they stay out. They're outside the door. So don't put yourself low. Don't try and minimize yourself. Don't try and minimize your life and you're seeing money and you're minimizing your life. I don't know. Don't try to minimize yourself, to minimize your life, your lifestyle, just because you don't want people to think that you have money. You have money. See, one thing I learned recently this week, whatever we think comes to us. However, we see life, that is how life is going to work out for us. Whatever you think, your mind is so powerful. So you better re strategize your mind. You better reconstruct your mind to start wanting to live the good life, to start wanting to live life of comfort, life of luxury. That is the honest truth, life of ease. So change your mindset to enjoying money. Enjoy it. Chop it. Look your best. See this hair I'm wearing. See, if you know how this hair is making me feel like princess. Okay? So because I look my best, I can comfortably, I can confidently talk to you guys because I know that I look like 10 over 10. So imagine me not looking all good. I cannot talk confidently. I'll be quivering. My mouth will be like "Blah, blah, blah, blah." So my point is that when you look your best, when you use that money you're seeing, that money you're making, that money people are giving you to make yourself look your best, people are going to like you more. You're going to like yourself more. You're going to feel more confident. You're going to feel on top of the world. You're going to feel like a million buck, pounds and dollars. Okay? I know so many people grew up in humble beginnings and they are pro managers, pro savers. You subconsciously and consciously learned how to manage and save money because you don't want to lack. You don't want to one day not have enough to eat, drink, or use. You have to understand that those times have passed. You have to understand that you are doing better. So it's okay for you to spend on yourself. It's okay for you to use the money you're making now to improve your life. Stop being a professional manager. Stop being a professional saver. Trust me, I understand. Like you'll be so scared of spending money. You'll be so scared because you're like, what if I use this money for this? What if I don't have money tomorrow? What how will my tomorrow be? Oh my god. Oh my God. I understand. It's all in your mind. It is all here. You have to consciously take off that cloth of pro manager, pro saver. You have to consciously let that part of you go and start spending more on yourself. Start being more generous to yourself. Start using your money to make your life better. Because truth be told, sometimes that money you are saving, one day you just go phew, like that. Start spending your money, start using your money before next of kin. We chop it like oha, we lick it like ice cream. Please, some of you guys should just make me your next of kin, please, please. I will help you use that money. Like I didn't know how to use money before. I will sit on that money. I'll feel like eating something I will not eat it. I'll feel like changing things around me I will not change. You know that some of us grew up automatically learning how to manage life, how to manage money. So you have to consciously take off that cloth of management. Shake it off. So don't be scared of spending money. The more you spend money, the more money comes back to you. And the more you spend money, the more you learn how to spend money wisely. Because you didn't know how to spend money all your life, you might not know how to spend money wisely. So what I'm going to say is learn how to buy quality instead of you to buy something that is way cheaper. And now you don't know how to spend money, so you rather go for something that is cheaper because you're trying to cut costs. Instead of you to do that, rather go for something that is of very good quality. One is one. When you buy that, you've bought that. That is good quality. Invest your money wisely. Okay, use your money wisely. Buy gold jewelry. Gold appreciates. Okay, buy good hair. Buy good clothing, buy quality things. Make sure everything you use your money to get, everything you use your money to do is of good quality. Because if you don't, you're going to go back and spend that money again, again, and again. You're going to waste time, waste resources, waste money until you get it right. I remember when I didn't know how to spend my money. I was just forming saving for better tomorrow. Instead of me to use the money I had to make my life better, to make my life more convenient for me, easier, I was busy saving for my tomorrow till I got scammed and all the money was wiped away. After I lost everything, I was like, oh my God, this is the same money I would have used to do this. This is the same money I would have used to do this. This is what like the money was just flashing in front of me like a movie, like a film, like film trick. So what I'm trying to say is that you have to start learning how to use the money you're saving to level up and make your life sweeter, make your life softer. You deserve to live a soft life. Anyways, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. Follow me on all other social media platforms with the name ciatajolie. Check out this video here, how to stop being stingy to yourself. Trust me, this video is going to help you because I talked about other things in this video, how to use your money, what to spend your money on. See, this is the video for you. In details, you're going to love this. Check out this other video too, okay? Subscribe here. I can't wait to see you all in either of these videos here. Bye. Love you guys so much. Mwah.